Finish our breakfast at this store, and now we have to go to the platform. Now we are on train and heading to Budapest. 我们现在整理好了，要去 Liberty Bridge。We just came down from the tram. Is it a tram? I don't know, but it's so old that it actually gives us the vibe of going back to 80s, 90s, something like that. But yeah, it's really old. Now we are at the Central Market. Now I'm pretty hungry, so we're gonna try their local snacks, which is something like this. This is the Liberty Bridge. And there's the Elizabeth. We just went to Liberty Bridge and took our photos. And now we are going for our dinner. 今天的晚餐，我的晚餐是味的鱼片汉堡。Now we're gonna ride on the Ferris wheel. Look at their leisure life. Now we are walking to our cruise on Budapest River. We are waiting our turn to boarding. Now we are on the boat and waiting the cruise to start. Now 现在在等电车回家。回家，回家。Good afternoon, guys. So today our schedule is pretty, how do I say? It's pretty leisure, so we don't have to rush, and we are going to the Yurenbao, which is fisherman something which I couldn't remember later. This is the view outside of our room. We did stay in the center of Budapest, but in fact from this hotel to the center it will only took around 10 to 15 minutes or 20 by the public transport. So outside of our room we have a very huge balcony. We can actually go out. This is our breakfast from the hotel. It tastes quite good actually. We had reached the Yurenbao. This is the view, and There you can see the parliament. High tea time in, I don't know how to pronounce this. Now we are going back to take some pictures because the sky was pretty cloudy just now, and now the sun has came out after our dessert time. The Budapest Palace. New York Cafe, and then to have our lunch. Now we are at New York Cafe and look at the interior behind. Star and New York chocolate cake. Sunset in Budapest with Bien Bien. Now we are waiting for our bus to go for our place that we booked yesterday for dinner. Look at how beautiful is this church at night. Just finished our appetizer and this is what we ordered. Garlic shrimp with olive oil, if I'm not wrong. 匈牙利菜. Apple with foie gras. This is their free dessert after our meal. Presented first their Hungary wine.
Finish for the paper, but I think it's not finished. So we'll print it more. Nice.